फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल मैथ्स वाइटियम विद अनीता ठाकुर। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे बेसिक्स ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। बेसिकली कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में क्या होता है कि वी हैव टू फाइंड डिस्टेंस ऑफ एनी पॉइंट और एनी पर्सन। सपोज वी विल से द पर्सन इज 5 किलोमीटर अवे. In this sentence, we didn't give the information from which point that person is 5 kilometer away. So that point from where we are identifying the distance must be given. From that point, we can identify distance of a particular person or point. If we will say, अगर हम कहते हैं कि कोई बंदा है वो 5 किलोमीटर दूरी पर है, तो 5 किलोमीटर दूरी पर है इसका कोई मतलब नहीं निकल रहा है। अगर हम ये कहें वो बंदा हमारे घर से 5 किलोमीटर दूरी पर, तो द पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इज माई हाउस, मेरा घर, यहां से वो बंदा 5 किलोमीटर दूरी पर है। तो वी हैव टू स्पेसिफाई द पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर मेजरिंग द डिस्टेंस ऑफ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट और अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. सो यू नो अबाउट number line. Here it is number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinite, and here -1, -2, -3 up to infinite. You know about number line. If we will say point A, here it is point A. Point A is 3 kilometer away. If we will say point A is 3 kilometer away, then we can't identify from where it is 3 kilometer away. So there must be give the information about the particular point. This is origin. From this, A is 3 centimeter or 3 meter, whatever the unit here, 3 meter away from origin. So we must give information about this point O. This is called origin. This is called origin. So we can say point A is 3 kilometer or 3 centimeter, whatever the unit, 3 centimeter away from origin. Now suppose if there is a point B and we have to identify distance of B from origin. If we will say B is 5 meter or 5 centimeter above from number line. If we will say point B is 5 centimeter above from number line. From this information we can't identify the exact position of B because there are so many points which are 5 centimeter above from number line. So this information is not complete. From only this information, the point is 5 centimeter above the number line. We can't identify exact position of this point B. So for this, in coordinate geometry, we define axes like this. This is y-axis, and here it is, whatever the number line is, now x-axis, x dash, and here it is y dash, y dash, x dash. We define these axes to find exact position of this particular point. So for finding the position of this particular point, we draw a perpendicular on x-axis like this, and we draw a perpendicular on y-axis like this. This is perpendicular and this is also a perpendicular. So from point B, we draw a perpendicular on x-axis. Where it meet on x-axis, this intersect OA. Suppose here it is A. This intersect point, this distance, this is called abscissa of point B. Suppose it is 3. It is 3. Abscissa is 3. This is called abscissa of point B. Wherever it intersect on y-axis, this distance, this is 5 centimeter. This is called ordinate of point B, and we write like this, 3 and 5, this. So 3 is abscissa of point B and 5 is ordinate of point B. Whatever the intersect on x-axis, this is called abscissa. Whatever the intersect on y-axis, this is called ordinate of that particular point. So from this information, we can identify exact position of point B. How? We count 3 centimeter in positive x direction like this and 5 centimeter in positive y direction. Here it is perpendicular, here it is perpendicular. Wherever they meet, this is the exact position of point B. From this information, we can find exact position of point B. Or if we have to find distance from origin, suppose it is distance from origin. If we have to find distance from origin of this point, how we will find? This is 3 and this is 5. It is a right angle triangle. BAO, it is right angle triangle. In this, we can find OB का square is equals to OA का square plus AB का square. Okay, now OA is 3, 3 का square 9 और AB is 5 का square 25. Okay, so 9 plus 25 is 34. So OB is equals to under root 34 centimeter. So from this we can identify distance of this particular point from the origin. From abscissa and ordinate if given, then we can find distance from origin of a particular point. Now suppose if a point is here, it is P. So we draw same like here, we draw a perpendicular on x-axis and draw a perpendicular on y-axis. Here x-axis is -2 distance. So abscissa is -2. It is negative direction. That's why it is -2. Abscissa is -2 and suppose it is 6 centimeter. So ordinate is 6 centimeter. So coordinate of P are -2 and 6 centimeter. -2 is abscissa and 6 is ordinate of point P. So from this we can identify the position of a particular point or ordinate of a particular point. So in Cartesian system or in coordinate geometry, we divide in 4 parts. First is first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate and fourth coordinate. We divide this surface in 4 coordinate. In first coordinate, x is positive, abscissa is positive always and ordinate is also positive. So in x-axis, abscissa is always positive, ordinate is always positive. So every point have abscissa and ordinate both will be positive, plus plus both will be positive. There should be a comma. Now in second coordinate, abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. So in whatever the point comes in second coordinate, where abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive, भुज नेगेटिव होगा और कोटि पॉजिटिव होगी. In third coordinate, abscissa is negative and y coordinate is negative, -1, -2, -3. Ordinate is also negative, so both coordinate will be negative. In fourth coordinate, abscissa is positive, x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. So abscissa is positive or y-axis negative. Like this we show the coordinate of any point in fourth coordinate. Now what is the coordinate of origin? distance of origin from origin is 0. So here abscissa will be 0 and ordinate will be 0. Both will be 0. So coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Abscissa is 0 and ordinate is also 0. Both are 0. Now suppose there is a given point -7 and 3. This is given point. Now you have to find in which coordinate this point will lies. -3. Abscissa is minus and ordinate is plus. In second coordinate. It will be in second coordinate. 1, 2, 3 up to 7. Here -7 somewhere here. Abscissa is -7 and ordinate is 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 suppose. So this point, this is suppose 3. So this point will be -7 and 3. Abscissa is -7 and ordinate is 3. Ordinate is 3. 1, 2, 3. Abscissa is -7. -7, x-axis -7 and in y-axis +3. So here is +3, here it is -7. Draw a perpendicular line where they are intersect each other. This point is the point -7 and 3. Suppose it is Q and this point will be Q. So from this we can identify position of any point in our coordinate geometry where it is lies in first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate where it will be lies. We can identify by this method. Now suppose if ask 0, 4. Locate the point 0, 4 in Cartesian system. It is also known as Cartesian system. Locate the point 0, 4. Here abscissa is 0. Abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 4. Abscissa is 0 means intersect on x-axis is 0. Means it will lies on y-axis anywhere. Abscissa is 0. Means intersect on x-axis is 0. 0 karte it will meet here. Somewhere here. Means this point lies on y-axis. Now ordinate is 4. Ordinate is 4. So 1, 2, 3. Suppose here it is 4. So this is point 0, 4. We have to find position of 0, 4. Abscissa is 0. Means intersect on x-axis is 0. Where it will be 0? Here it will be 0. So the point will lies on anywhere on y-axis. Now it is positive +4. So it must be upward somewhere. Up from origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We measure till 4 unit. 0, 4 here. Here this point 0, 4 lies on y-axis. Now if we have to find any point 3, 0. Here ordinate is 0. Ordinate is 0 means segment on y-axis is 0. Ordinate is 0. Segment on y-axis 0 means this is 0, 0, 0, 0 means here. So someone on this point like someone on somewhere on x-axis. Ordinate is 0. This is 0. This is 0. So somewhere on x-axis this point lies somewhere on x-axis. Here abscissa is 3, 1, 2, 3. So this point, if this point is R, R is here. Here it is 3 and 0. Abscissa is 3 and y coordinate is 0. Here y coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 3. Abscissa or x coordinate is 3. 1, 2, 3 here. And y coordinate is 0. So this distance is 0. This distance is 0. So somewhere on x axis it should be lies. Or plus, it is +3. So 1, 2, 3. So here this point will exist. Our point is exist 3, 0. So from this method we can identify any points position on Cartesian system. This is the basic of coordinate geometry. Thank you for watching. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.